Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install and use SQLite on your Ubuntu 24 server. By the end of this video it will be installed and ready to work.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, let's install SQLite using the following command. If you need to install it for development, use the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Check the version to make sure it is installed. Next, to test its functionality, create a database using the following command. You will create a database, add a table inside it, insert a user into the table and get a response when querying the user in the table.